Welcome today in front of me Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here you will see the all available icons on our top bar. So we should just tap here to edit icon, and as you can see here we get all these our visible icons in our notification panel, and these icons we can add to our notification panel if you want. So just to add one more icon, for example here, you should hold this icon for a while and drag it here to this up visible section. And now if we'll go back, you can see that we got it here our new icon on our notification panel. So by the same way you can, for example, add here more icons by this way. And if you want to just remove one from this icon, for example, you don't need the Huawei share icon, you should just hold for a while and drag it here to this down section. And by the same way you can just remove more icons. And if you want, you can just change the position of the icons here on your notification panel. For example, you want to airplane mode icon to be the first one, so hold for a while and drag it here to this first position. And then you wanna just have here the Bluetooth icon and then just sound icon, and by this way you can just edit your notification panel. So that's really simple, as can you see. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.